Okay, so if you want to read any whole number, the first thing you need to understand is how to read a 3-digit number or up to 3 digits. Say for example, I had 3 digits. That is my ones unit, that is my tens, and that is my hundreds. If you can read up to a 3-digit number, you can pretty much read any whole number in math. So let's start with a few examples. 317. 285. So if you can read this process kind of repeats for every single number. So say for example, you had a number that's extremely long and you want to read it. The first thing you need to remember is that for every 3 digits you go from the right side, you're going to add a comma, then you're going to repeat the same process. Okay, so again, these are just my basic numbers. The next 3 after the first comma are your thousands. Next 3 are your millions. Next 3 billions. And last 3 trillions. So if you remember these two concepts, you can read any number. Again, let's try a few examples. Okay, so taking a look at this example here, I'm going to start off at the left when reading. I'm just going to read the number before the comma. So that number right there is 12. And then we know that these are thousands unit, because the second one over there is your thousands. So you're going to write 12,000. And then you're going to read the next number over here. You can put a comma if you want. So that's 457. That's how you read whole numbers. So let's try a much harder example. Okay, so again, if I'm reading this, I remember that those are my basic, my thousands, my millions, and my billions. So when I start to read this number, I'm going to start reading the first 3 digits here, which is 100. And 28. And I know that's my billions category, so I'm going to put a billion after that. And I can put a comma. I'm going to read the next number, 219. Again, that's my millions category, so I'm going to write million here. 303. And that's my thousands category, so I'm going to write 1,000. Then the last number is 417. One last example. Okay, so I'm going to add a lot more zeros in this example, which is why it might be slightly different. Again, that's my billions category, so I'm going to start with 125 billion. I have nothing in my millions at all, so I'm just going to leave that empty. I'm not going to write anything for that. Next one is this over here, which is 10,000. And then the last one is just a 1, so I'm going to write and 1.